Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to actually link your e-commerce with your social media pages. Now this is a very important step because by doing this you can actually increase your brand awareness. So if somebody is in your e-commerce website, then they can see all your social media links and they can visit your social media pages. And obviously you can create a backlink from your social media back into your e-commerce website. But that's something which we'll not cover. We'll just cover the first part, which is how to link your own e-commerce website to your social media pages. So let's say we've got all these social media pages. If I want to actually put these social media pages into my e-commerce website out here, what I'll do is I'll go to my social media pages. Let's say I've got Facebook. I'll go here, I'll go into my settings, go into social media links, and I'll put in Facebook as social media link. Just by doing this, you'll be able to see the Facebook link directly on top. So you can see that the Facebook link has started appearing here, as well as at the bottom, Facebook link has started appearing. If you want to further put in all the links, so let's say Instagram, I'm going to put in Instagram here, and let's say LinkedIn, and I'm going to put in my LinkedIn here, and YouTube, I'm going to put it here like such, and Twitter. So as you can see, you don't need to put in all of them. I just put in one, which was Facebook, and that was good enough. But let's say I have Instagram account and Twitter account and all those accounts. I can put in all those accounts and all those links would start appearing in your e-commerce website from on top as well as at the bottom. So that's about it of creating brand awareness using social media links. Thank you.